Hi, I'm Kristen. This is MagiSEED, one of the many games on Ludum Dare 38 Small World. Don't really know much more about it than most of them. Screen caps on the game page showed some falling blue diamonds and some piranha plants. Alright. So I'm not sure if Gene is saying Bobby has a secret or if Gene Bobby has a secret, but he knows, and this did have music a second ago. I think I clicked on it, but I think it just stopped once all the text finished fading in. He knows that a population hide from humans. They are small, very small, and similar to the humans. 1 year ago, they give to Gene Bobby, it is one name, 3 seed to become one of them, only for an emergency. Today, one of them come and die in front of him. He knew what to do, so he's gonna eat the seed and go be one of them. I love how Gene Bobby is wearing a blue banana dress. Arrow keys to move left and right. Get the seed and pass the hole. Space to jump. Oh goodness. Gene Bobby is very big. Oh, okay, I get it. I have to get all 3 seeds. I actually kind of like this. Come on. Oh, okay. Yay! Okay. Now I should be small enough. Now I just gotta get back up in there. Aw, butts. Aw, shit. I didn't expect this to be a platformer, to be honest. Like, from the couple of screenshots that I scrolled very quickly past, I thought it was gonna be a manic catch the gems and plant the gems, kind of run back and forth. Gonna do some gardening game. Oh god, I'm an idiot. Okay. Whee! Hurry up, it's raining today. Oh! Those are the diamonds I saw. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Ah! No! Ah! Bad rain. Mean rain. Oh, fuck me. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Getting killed by the fucking rain. Now I know how the Lilliputian died. Ah! Rest in peace and peace. Escape to retry. Hurry up, it's raining today. Oh, gosh. It looks like it's randomized, so oh gosh, I think a lot of this is luck. Okay, yeah, no, I'm having much better luck this time. Uh-oh. Whee! Oh god, oh god. Oh. Whew. That was intense. I'm gonna collect the lightning bolt. You feel the magic inside, press E to summon wind. Wow. Okay. Oh, I see. Whee! Okay. Oh, look at how hard he dances to the music. Yeah. Okay, this actually isn't that hard of a platformer once I see the obvious paths. Whee! Oh gosh! Boom. Haha. Yay! Let's see if there's not. Oh yeah, there is another switch. Okay. Yay! All right. Yeah. I'm getting this. I gotta solve some sort of puzzle each time and get to the down plus space to go down and get to the recycling symbol teleporter. Oh gosh. Something up above is using leaf cutter on me. You son of a bitch. How do I kill you? Oh, okay. I'm gonna die. Maybe if I'm fast enough, I won't. Oh, fuck. Okay. Ah. Oh, well, fuck you. Ah! Okay. Gotta keep my finger on E and not let it end up on W. Oh gosh. I did it the wrong way. No, shush. Oh. Oh no. I'm gonna die. You just shut your whore mouth. Oh, I gotta get there. And not just, One more time. Oh, shush. Oh. Okay, well, I know what I need to do on this level, but I don't think it's gonna happen. Woo! Yeah, you get your ass over there. One more try. Oh, shit. Oh, gosh. Ah! Okay. Rest in peace. I'm not gonna be able to get that level. I really like this game. I'm just shit at platformers. Oh, but I really like this. It's like this little boy in a blue banana dress who needs to go save the Lilliputians, and he can shoot wind out of his knees. It's great. Yeah, I really like this. You guys should go play it. Go find out what's after the leaf cutter piranha plant hydra. So this has been MagiSEED, seed in all caps, for Ludum Dare 38 Small World. Link's gonna be in the description. I've been Kristen. If you enjoyed this, please like the video, comment, or subscribe. Thanks. Bye-bye.